Check this out, guys. Neighbour's just bought this.
I've checked it. It's got compression and it's got spark. The only thing's left is the injection, isn't it?
Yep.
I cleaned all that off as well. That was covered in mouth shit.
It's only done 17,000 miles. 17,000. What a cracking beast. Look, it's going to start it. Things run out of fuel. Been sat for about 5 years, if not longer. Let's go around. Let's run it. Oh, one it just fell down. Yeah, I reckon that's run out of fuel now. The inside.
That ain't bad.
Very luxurious.
That's all working now, so I've got to put that back together now. Lovely. Look at that.
Needs
Gorgeous,
good old clean.
Huh? Needs a clean. You can do another one when it's clean. Hey.
Yeah, definitely.
Heated seats. Got heated rear seats.
You can explain what it's got.
What?
You're being recorded.
No, I don't want to explain what it's got. We can see it on here what it's got. Actually, it's been standing for all those years and the air conditioning worked when I drove it home.
So how long has it been sitting?
It's been 4 years outside, 10 years in a garage.
Jesus Christ. Does this work yet? Look at that. It even got Gatwick.
Yeah. Oh, everything works. I don't know if this works. Oh yeah.
Look at that. Electrics. See, if that was a Peugeot or something, that wouldn't work no more. Does it tell you the mileage on there?
Yeah, when it comes up, it won't come up.
17.
Is it on 17 now?
Yeah.
I can't see it.
17198.
Yeah, that's the mileage.
Bloody hell. It's a new car, isn't it?
Do you think I've got a problem?
Yeah, I reckon so. This is what it is.
It's got fold-away mirrors.
So what is it? A Sovereign what?
It's Sovereign.
Jaguar.
Sovereign, XJ300 Sovereign. Oh, I don't know if I better keep it because I can't get in and out of it.
That's the only damage.
I'm going to attempt, I don't want to leave it unlocked in here, I'll attempt to lock the doors.
Should we ask everyone what they reckon this is worth?
What?
Some people on YouTube might know. So everyone, what do you reckon this car is actually worth? To buy now and to sell once it's all done up? Please tell me in the comments. I missed it, didn't I?
Yeah.
Look, the whole car was like this. It's been sat for God knows how long. Now Terry has cleaned it.
Hang on, this side shows as well. It's green.
It's a shame I missed cleaning it.
Yeah. I scrubbed it.
What a beauty. Old Jaguar Sovereign.